Hello friends, today I would like to share some thoughts on criticism on my drawings. Many people asking me, why are you drawing and posting all those drawings on YouTube? Are you getting any income? If not, why are you posting them? I'm getting some negative comments like that. Your drawings are not masterpiece pieces, then why are you posting on them? You are not an artist, like that. So today I would like to give answer to all of them. That is, friends, everyone has unique passion and everyone has unique skills to create some creative stuff to share with the world. It might be small but not a masterpiece to share with the world, to share with the like-minded people. I am not teaching the drawing, I am sharing my drawings with the like-minded people. Those who are interested to watch my videos, they will come again and again. So I am sharing my drawing process and progress. I am getting more positive comments than negative. One grandfather commented, he is enjoying my artwork by practicing along with his grandchildren. So many students commented that my artwork had helped them in their project works. These people inspired me to do more. My artwork is not as professional as a masterpiece as some great artist created, but I am enjoying the process and it helps the people. It fills my heart with self satisfaction, which brings peace and joy. That is my wealth. Friends, what is your creative stuff to share with the like minded people in the world? What is your wealth? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much.